Hey, it's Sandy, and in today's video, Minnie will be showing you how she created this really fun and cool nail art design inspired by the new Paper Mario game for Wii U called Color Splash. She will be showing you how to easily create the color splashes and also how to paint Mario and his hammer.
Hello, it's Minnie. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to CutePolish for new videos every week. I'm going to start with a base coat to protect my natural nails. Next, I'm going to apply 2 coats of white polish. For the color splashes, I'll be using a straw and some acrylic paint. To make it easier to work with, add water to make the paint runny. Using a brush or a toothpick, place a drop of paint onto the nail. Blow the paint with a straw. Repeat these steps to create some random splashes. The benefit of using acrylic paint is that you don't need liquid latex or any kind of skin protectors. If your hands get dirty, simply wash with soap to clean. I'm going to add some more splashes using different colors. Apply top coat to seal the design, then wash your hands to clean. Moving on to the Mario design. Paint the face in the middle, then add the nose and ear on either side. To create a light skin color, mix white, yellow, red and brown acrylic paint. I'm going to add the outline and the eyes using black acrylic paint. Let's start adding some colors. I'm using brown for his mustache and hair. Paint his hat with red. Draw the logo on his hat to complete. To draw a hammer, start with a rectangle shape. Add wavy lines on both sides. Then draw a stick in the middle. Paint with a beige color. Fill the middle of the wavy lines with pale yellow. Draw some lines to create a wood-like design. And that's it! I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to watch more awesome nail art tutorials, click the info card button on the top. Thank you for watching!